Chef David Rose back at it again at the Georgia Power Customer Resource Center. And today we are making my famous stout braised lamb shanks. Right now we've shown you step through step how we do the lamb shanks, and we also did some Swiss chard. So what's left is next, you gotta do a starch. Make sure to stay here. We're gonna be featuring the Vulcan Versatile Chef Station. Chef David Rose back at it with the next step in our cauliflower puree. So after we go ahead and braise the cauliflower in our heavy cream and our butter and our salt, pepper, and garlic powder, we go ahead, we take it out, we put it into our Coupe or your food processor. Now we make a puree. If you like the consistency to be a little more smoother, feel free to add more heavy cream. If you like it a little bit chunkier, a little more coarser, kind of like your old-fashioned, old-style mashed potatoes, feel free to omit less heavy cream. I like somewhere in between, so that's what I'm going for right now. All right. So at this point, the cauliflower has broken down from the braising process. It has that nice, creamy texture from the heavy cream, from the butter, all those things you find in delicious mashed potatoes with none of the carbs. It's going to go so well with the braised lamb shank and the Swiss chard. And stay tuned to see how the dish comes all together. And the only way you can do that is by staying tuned to the Chef Series.